What's up everybody, this is Danny. The iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max are out now, and they are expensive phones, so the first thing I would do is protect it with the glass screen protector, and the easiest glass screen protector that I've ever installed in my life is the Glass TR Easy Fit. It's named like that for a reason. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how fast and effective that this screen protector is. It's cheap. It comes in a 2-pack, available for every phone, the 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. So the installation is gonna be the same across all of them. I've already installed it on both of my Pro models, but I'm gonna install it on the 11 for you. All right, let's see what you get inside the package first. There you go. You get some instructions, which you won't need because I'll tell you how to do everything. And you get the 2-pack. And here are the trays. That's what makes it unique, is the application process. Super simple. Comes with a squeegee, dust removal stickers, cleaning cloth, wipes. So first take this lens wipe, just wipe down the screen, and then we're just gonna make sure there's no dust on it. Gotta do my side angle. When it's dust free, just take this tray, remove this film, and then we're just gonna put this directly above it. You're gonna see it fits perfectly to the phone. So there is no guessing on how to apply it or anything like that. Just press and slide right here. Super easy. And all you gotta do is wait 30 seconds. After your 30 seconds is up, just take this sticker here and remove it. All this does is hold the plastic tray on the phone itself. Comes right off. Boom. Look at that. It's a perfect install right off the bat. So easy. You couldn't get any easier than this. This screen protector does not go edge to edge, so some people might not like that, but there is a clear advantage here because it can fit any case. So compatibility with any cases, you're good. Doesn't matter if it's a rugged case, a thin case, you'll be able to use them all. So for example, I have a 11 Pro Max right here. This is a Spigen Ultra Crystal case. You can see how nice that is, that you can see that midnight green on the back, perfect camera cutout, and you also have nice side protection. That raised lip also helps. And compared to the Apple case, the bottom is also completely covered. Here is the Apple case for comparison. So this part is wide open here, and you can probably ding this up versus using the Spigen case. So this is the combo that I'll be using for my iPhone 11 Pro Max, that Easy Fit screen protector and the Ultra Crystal case. Both will be linked down below so you can pick one up for your iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let me know which accessory do you have to put on your phone immediately after you pick it up. For me, it's a screen protector, a glass one, because I am known to scratch the mess out of phone displays. And this Easy Fit, it is definitely a major go because there's almost no way that you can mess this up. Anyone can put on this screen protector perfectly. I love it. Stay tuned for more iPhone 11 content. I have all 3 of them, so I'm gonna be doing a lot of testing, especially the camera. I'm going out there right now. So subscribe for that, and I will see you in the next video.